So Greg, for the purposes of confirmation, when we took this carburetor apart, because it wouldn't run right, there was no gasket between here and here. So I suspect that the previous mechanic perhaps did not have a gasket in the kit that was sent. The Napa gasket does not cover this obvious passageway that it must have some kind of a purpose, and it shows two gaskets in the kit or in the instructions, but only one gasket was supplied. So I just want to, for confirmation, make sure that I'm not going to spend 89 bucks or whatever it is on a gasket set and have the same thing. Matter of fact, it doesn't. We have these two barrels, which there's an insert in here, I guess, but these two barrels have this larger area that needs to be covered. So anyway, if you would assure yourself, so that you can assure me that we're going to have the correct gasket in it for this base before you send it, I'd really, really appreciate it. Thank you, sir.